Typical British weather. Wet, windy. Never stops us working on the bike, so I've been quite preoccupied this week. There's been a lot going on, but now I managed to find a quick bit of time to finish off this project. Just thought I'd put a video up to show the finished efforts. Obviously waterproof connectors, before there were these tacky plastic ones. Don't know why Oxford don't just use them all together, to be honest. But even there's a nice touch with colour coded each grip, so you know which one's left, which one's right. Same with the power. I'll take you on the power, so red normally for power. Always label them for positive and negative. But yeah, quite impressed with that, quite happy with that. Make sure meter grips give nice years of service. What's going on? Yeah, so it still works. Especially seeing as it's coming to winter, I'll need this working at peak efficiency more than ever before. Until next time, I'm back tomorrow. I'll be back with another video tomorrow. I've got to finish another project for another customer, and there'll be another video shortly. But for now, A&B Bikes out.